Have you ever wanted to visit Bearizona Wildlife Park in Williams, Arizona?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we have in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures just like this one.
So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
Today, we're taking the kids for their together Christmas gift to Bearizona.
We're so excited. This is something I saw a couple years ago when we came to the Grand Canyon, and now we're getting to take them, and I'm so excited.
If you don't know what that is, it is an outdoor wildlife park that gets you to drive through and see animals, as well as see some, I think, that are maybe in some pens, kind of like a zoo as well.
Yeah, I'm excited to go check it out. I think it'll be a lot of fun.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, there's the sign for Bearizona. I don't know where to turn. Do we go right here?
It says Bearizona Boulevard, so I'm thinking probably so.
All right. Welcome to Bearizona.
Yay! Look at that sign.
Look at all the animals up there.
Yeah.
There are some wolves.
There's a wolf. Ah, they're gonna jump on our windshield.
Cool.
No. They're just statues. Yeah,
That's right, Ashley. Good call.
Can I scream?
I don't care. What do you want to scream about?
We're here.
Yay.
Bears over there.
That's just a statue.
So we just pulled through and showed them our tickets that we bought online, and they told us that we can't have our bikes that are on the back of the Suburban on there. So Cole's having to take them off right now. He said the animals will attack them and chew the tires and stuff. So he's taking care of that right now, and then we'll head on in. There's the goat.
He's so big. Whoa.
What about that one?
I thought that was two. Whoa!
Straight ahead.
There's one.
Whoa.
What are these?
Don't be so loud. You'll scare them off.
There they are. Over there.
Oh yeah. He's laying down. And there's another one.
What do y'all think about those reindeer laying down over there just chewing their cud?
Yep, them are eating.
Where's Santa? How many of there's 4 right there, huh? Think that's all there are in here, or you think there are more?
There should be 4 more.
Mule deer, that's what Papu and Granddad and Daddy hunted in New Mexico.
Oh, there it is. It was blending in. So that's what donkeys eat. They eat grass.
Not a donkey.
Yeah, girls. Girls are donkeys. Well, Daddy says they're donkeys. I can see my face. Daddy says they're donkeys.
Yep.
This is the wolves, so we gotta roll up windows.
All right, gotta roll up windows. Look at that squirrel. It's got like some crazy hair.
Where?
Right there, look at off the back. Look at him, he's pretty. Oh, there's a circle we can drive around to see him. Windows up, doors locked, no exceptions. Move along, wolves approach. So she just said keep moving. Okay.
She said they will tear the stuff off the car. That would not be good.
No,
Nope.
it was not.
Oh, wow, that's pretty.
What?
Oh, he's howling.
Oh, there's the other one.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's awesome.
Be quiet, guys.
That was really cool.
That was awesome.
There's 2 Arctic wolves on this side and 3 tundra wolves on the other side. The Arctic wolves are wider.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. It's really cool.
One's approaching.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
These are the junior black bears, it says.
Ooh, hello. Hello.
That's cool. Look at that one over there, Mommy.
There's one outside. outside.
Yeah, they're
So thin.
they're all outside.
I see their
that one.
there's little.
Why are they not
I see a little cave. That's their cave they sleep in. Why
I guess these kind of bears aren't hibernating, dude. I don't know.
That's their cave they
There's one
sleep
up in the cave.
Look at the one in the little den, the little cave there.
Oh, look.
Look. There's its cave.
There's a couple. Oh, look at that one. He came out like, hey, don't even think about coming in here, punk.
There's 2 of them in there.
Yeah, there are 2 inside.
They're probably married.
Probably.
Look at that big. Look at that. Look,
I didn't see what.
Hey, look, there's one of them.
Oh my gosh, how cool is that?
Oh, that's so cool.
Look over here. I've never seen a bear climb before in real life.
Look at this one right ahead.
Where? Oh, there it is. It's going to get in its cave. You said something rude. Like,
What if you said something rude?
you stink bear.
You stinky bear, come take me on. I will fight you to the
And
death.
you can't even climb a tree. That one's coming. Look at that guy. Look at that too. Look, there's gonna be one out of the window. Look at that. That's so. Look at that. This is amazing.
Look at this guy.
This one's like.
That's a big dude.
Yeah. Hello.
Man, that is cool.
So cool.
That's really cool.
White bison, huh?
Look, there's one laying down.
There are 9 of them. Because see those other 2? That's a big old one. This is so cool.
His head is so huge.
Oh, they're 2 babies.
They smell good.
Yeah, they smell kind of like cattle.
See the one with the big, long, curly horn? That's not much bigger than the junior.
No.
Looks that much bigger to me either.
He's getting something. Oh, he's getting a mouse.
Oh, he's eating a mouse.
Get that mouse.
He just definitely ate a mouse.
That was awesome.
Don't eat that mouse.
He's eating the mouse.
He's hungry. I think this is the last section.
What?
And we get out and see other stuff.
But there are small ones. There are small animals.
Yeah. We get out and walk to see those though.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for taking us.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sweet attitude, Kinsey. You're so welcome.
What's he doing with it? He's like packing it in his den or something.
So fast.
I don't know.
Like making a snowball and carrying it over there.
There he's pushing up another pile of snow. He's building his snowman again. Oh, no. Is he going to go get in the water? Brr. Oh my gosh, he just jumped right in.
He's like, whoa, look at the Look at him.
Oh no, that's the mine trap.
We had a lot of fun. Driving through the park was really cool. Right now, we are walking around the walk-around section at Bearizona. Everyone's having a blast. And they just keep saying, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's so fun. So we're gonna check out what's in the mine shaft now.
He's so
Cute.
Is he doing it?
Yeah. He's so cute. There are 2.
They must like to climb the trees.
Oh, there's one up in the tree.
Oh my goodness.
Connor and Haley.
Yes, it's up in the tree.
Which tree is he in? Oh, there he is.
Yeah, I can't see him.
Well, you're not looking. You're looking at the ground.
I see him.
See him walking down
How
the tree?
funny.
See that tree right there? There he is. He's
Oh,
coming
there
down.
it is.
He's coming down.
That's so funny. How's he gonna get down?
There's one of branches most of the way.
I have not ever seen a raccoon in a tree. Oh my gosh, that's gonna break, dude.
What's gonna break?
The branch he's trying to stand on.
We're coming, Kenzie and Haley.
These guys are like, I give it a 6.0, 7.5. That wasn't your best effort there, Bill. Keep up the good work. Keep practicing.
Oh, it's so cute. It's a deer. It's a baby deer.
It's a reindeer.
A baby.
It's a 1-year-old bull.
It's a bull?
He's a boy.
That's not for climbing on.
Oh, we can't see if we don't do it.
This one's coming.
Can you pick her up?
Olivia.
Why are you calling it Olivia?
Olivia.
Oh,
Olivia. He's so cute.
it's really pretty.
Hi. Hi. He acts like Bucky a little.
So pretty. I had so much fun today.
That was so great. I thought it would be fun. I was so excited from looking online and seeing what it was and stuff. But it was even better than I thought. It was really cool.
Driving through was neat. We kind of backed up and did it a few times, I think.
And
'cause
we went through twice. That was
Yeah.
how cool that part was.
Yeah.
The bears were awesome. But I think my favorite part was the wolves howling. Like that
Oh, that was cool.
Just
It was really cool.
amazing.
The
It
kids thought it was awesome, too.
So neat.
And then when we went through the zoo portion and we're up next to the glass and like these big cats came up looking like they wanted to have us for lunch. That was cool. They were really beautiful. It was also a little bit scary for the kids. Some big cats.
And the otters were so fun.
Yes.
Those were cool.
That was our trip to Bearizona.
Now we want to know, what are some of your favorite things to do in Williams, Arizona?
Let us know in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and let us know you liked it.
And don't forget to click subscribe to join the Younger Gang so you can become a part of this awesome community.
Also, we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, getting the kids a together Christmas gift that meant going out in the snow to Bearizona, an outdoor wildlife park, and then sharing it with you, that's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.